In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to sync video and audio in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So now here we are in PowerDirector. So what I'm going to show you right now is the manual way of how you could sync your video and audio. So in this case is that the video right here doesn't match with the audio that it has been tied with. So for example, when I play this, it would now sound like this. So listen carefully.
Hi, my name is Dawn. I'm a health and wellness coach.
And yeah, as you can see and hear, it's not really syncing with the mouth of the subject, and it might be that it's not really her voice. It might be in other people's voice in this video right here, and I'm not really sure. So that's the problem right here. It's not in sync. Now, I have my audio right here that is the whole part of this clip right here that has been sent to me, and now I have to match this exactly into this video right here. Now what I like to do to solve this is that basically I just look here into the video and watch all of it until I get the most distinctive cue. And what I found while watching all of this is that I have this person right here, and he would laugh, as you can see right there, and that would be my most distinctive cue that is in this video, because no other person did that right here. So that's a very distinct or very unique here in this video, and I will just have to find that laugh right here in the audio, and when it syncs with the video, it should automatically sync with the other parts. So now I'm just gonna go here into the audio and find it. So it's right here. The laugh is somewhere here at the end. So I just need to start looking here at the end, and now I'm gonna play it and wait for that laugh right here, maybe something like that, and play it.
I'm not doing it again.
And there is that laugh. So now I'm just gonna go and remove this audio right here, since this is not usable anyway, because it is not in sync at all. And now I just have to adjust the video right here. And let's go into the audio first, where the laugh would start. There it is. So now I'm just going to move a couple frames backward. And then I'm going to go and move the frame until the person would look like it's going to laugh. So let's say somewhere in here. So it's quite in sync. Now let's check if it's really in sync, if it's really good. Now I'm gonna play it right here.
The customers, never losing sight of that.
And it's not really that good yet, so I'm gonna have to adjust this. I think it is, the delay is quite delayed a bit, so I'm just gonna move it forward a bit. And now let's listen. Let's see.
A registered nurse and a busy mom.
What I'd love to see in the future at Larry H. Miller Surprise is always going above and beyond for their customers, never losing sight of that, and taking care of every guest the same way.
Kachava is my secret for staying healthy.
And yeah, I think it is already quite good. The audio of this is already syncing with the mouth of the person talking in the video.
Part of the DNA of Sherwin-Williams.
And now let's go back into this.
My colleagues, it's so convenient.
Yeah, I think it is perfect. So yeah, that is basically it on how I sync my audio and video here in PowerDirector. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.